In this video, I will show you how to turn your ideas into highly engaging videos. This tool we will be using is called Fliki. Once you log in, click New File. Here, you can select video language and dialect. Let's pick Start with Idea and then select Landscape, which is for YouTube long-form videos. In Idea Prompt, you could just put a simple sentence or a prompt generated by other AI tools like ChatGPT. Select the duration of videos and then select the auto-pick medias you like. Hit the Submit button and let's wait for the magic. Let's check how it looks.
Discover Paradise, the top 5 most beautiful beaches for your honeymoon. Immerse yourself in the wedded bliss on the sun-kissed beaches of the world. A honeymoon is more than just a trip, it's the start of your forever, and it ought to be perfect.
Pretty good, right? Now let's see what settings you can change. We can increase or decrease pause between scenes. I normally disable this special transition effect since it may make the video unsmooth. Now let's see the scene settings. There are 9 positions to put subtitles. You can pick fonts, size, text color, etc. for the subtitles. Click Apply to similar layers so that subtitles for all scenes will look exactly the same. You can replace the video, add layers like text, picture-in-picture, avatar, or audio for each scene. You can duplicate scene, custom duration of the scene. Let's also add a sound effect of the water. Let's check out the result.
Next, we have the Maldives, the epitome of tropical paradise. The glowing beach of Vadhu Island is a sight to behold. With sapphire waters and incandescent marine life, it's like a dream woven with stardust.
You could change the volume and speed of the voiceover. At the common scene, you can add background music and add your channel logo as a watermark. For the script, you can adjust the tune, add pause, etc.
Beautiful.
Fliki also provide a large library of voiceover you can choose from. Once you are happy with the video, click download to start export. Once it exported, you can download to your computer. Bonus. About how to generate ideas, you can go to Perplexity. It works like ChatGPT, but it provides detailed answers with links and sources, so that you can easily verify the correctness of the results. Of course, you could also use ChatGPT, Bard, or Wikipedia as your source of ideas. That's all for today. See you next time.